Truck by Truck West 2014. We are here at Pie Plant. These guys are brand new, so I'm really excited to try this. They make fresh baked pies by the slice or by the whole pie. Let's check it out. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm super excited. I'm here for Truck by Truck West.
I'm glad you came. I'm
Yay!
6 weeks old, so.
6 weeks?
Yep.
Wow!
My name's Mark.
That's awesome. Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sheridan.
What kind of pie would you like? You have the choice of 5 flavors.
Oh, wow, that's a lot.
Coconut cream, pumpkin, pecan, bourbon sour cherry, or apple.
Oh, wow. That's so many choices. What is your favorite?
My favorite is the sour cherry, but the pumpkin's been popular, and so is the coconut cream. Pumpkin,
wow.
it's seasonal, so maybe that's why. But
What's your second favorite?
my second favorite would probably be the apple.
Let's start with apple. All right, let's give this a shot. That looks so good. Can you see in there? Apple pie. Who doesn't love apple pie? Really? Who doesn't love apple pie? That looks good, doesn't it? All right, let's get this in my mouth and into my belly. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. I see why he wants to share this with the world. Wow, that's really, really good. Oh my goodness, that's good. The apples still are kind of crunchy. So good. And sweet, just the right amount of spice. And this crust, right? It's the crust that always makes or breaks an apple pie. This crust is delicious. All right, let's try the cherry. Wow, that looks good. Almonds? Almonds on top. Oh. That looks delicious. Love baked treats. So good. All right, let's get some in there. Can you see that? Look at that. It is loaded with cherries. Absolutely loaded with cherries. All right, here we go. Bourbon sour cherry. It is so good. This is truly, truly delicious. This crust with this almond stuff, oh, you're gonna die when you try this. I would love to stay and eat the whole trailer of pies, but I can't do that. See you at the next one.